So today I just took off this wagon. I struggle a lot. So this handle here did not work. So I needed to go out and do what we call it the farmer's way in Norway. Just fix it by some other tools. So now I'm going to go and gather my father's excavator. So I'm borrowing a machine trolley, and we're going to pick that up. I'm going to borrow my father's excavator for some while, and follow me on that journey. Right now it started raining. So let's see here. This is the wagon, the trolley. So there it is, 8 tons excavator caterpillar. Not bad, not bad at all. That's insanely slippery. Insane. cross through here. So let's see if I can fix that problem. Just moving it a little bit up, taking the boom down. So let's see now. Took it down. If it will pass under, I don't know yet. Can I go? Let's try. Or else I need to take another way. That was close. Stay safe. Checking here. Machine is struggling. Okay, so we are here, finally here. So what I'm going to use this for is because I'm getting in a friend to help me. So we have two machines and we can fill up the tractor with that one, and we can have the other excavator on the other side. Also, this is smaller, so it's easier to dig in the nature. We're not destroying so much. So, perfect. So I stopped. I had a problem with it heating up, and now you see here, you can see it's leaking for a place, like it's fluid all over the place. But right now it's in the way, so I need to move it. So I have warm fluid here because the engine is warm. Let's see if it's overheated. No, not that bad. So I'm filling that up, moving it, and then we're going to look what's wrong. It's probably going to fill the whole bottle. So, curious to see how this works. So when I'm starting the engine now, I think I need to move it fast and then look at the problem, because we're going to get more sand here and I don't want the big excavator to stand in the way. If you see there, I also brought that one in case something like this happens, because in old machine something happens. Okay, it's good now, so let's move it. Stopped. Why did it stop? overheating is still. Let's go out and see. So now I'm taking the 8-tonner. I'm happy that I moved it yesterday. So I'll try to fix the small stuff that's left for the trailers and also move this pile of material.